Today's video, we're going to be talking about number of solutions. You should have your foldable that was given to you in class so we can classify the three types of solutions. So our first solution deals with equations with one solution. This is when two expressions are equal to each other when the variable is a specific value. Make sure to add this definition to your foldable. For instance, 4x equals 2x plus 6. The first thing I want to do is draw the picture that shows this equation. Then I want to solve it. So I solve it by taking my two x's on the right side and getting rid of them. The only way I can do that is by pairing them with two negative x's. If I do that on the left side, I have to do that on the right side. And then I use zero pairs to get rid of them. So I'm left with 2x equals 6. I want to know what x equals, so I'm going to divide my 6 on the right side into two separate groups, and I get x equals 3. So 4x will equal 2x plus 6 only when x equals 3. If x is 4, they don't equal each other. If x is 2, they don't equal each other. It only works when x equals 3. The second type of solution you can have is when you have equations with no solutions. This is when the two expressions will never be equal, no matter what value is used for the variable. Again, make sure you add this definition to your foldable. Let's look at the example. 3 times the quantity x plus 3 equals 3x plus 5. So the first thing we do is draw the pictures. We have three groups of x plus 3 on the left and 3x plus 5 on the right. My first step is to move my constant to one side of the equation. So I'm going to add negative 5 to both sides and get rid of my zero pairs. Now I have 3x plus 4 equals 3x. Well, I don't want the 3x on the left side of the equation because I've already got 4 there and I only want numbers on that side. So I'm going to add negative x 3 times to both sides and get rid of my zero pairs. Now I'm left with 4 equals 0 because there's nothing left on the right side. This means 3 times the quantity x plus 3 will never equal 3x plus 5, no matter what value we use for x. And the final type of solution that we're going to talk about is when equations have infinite solutions. This means the two expressions are always equal, no matter what value is used for the variable. Again, make sure you add this to your notes. So for 2x plus 4 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 2, first thing we're going to do is draw the picture. Notice on the right side I drew x plus 2 times because it's being multiplied. My first step is to get rid of my 1s, so I'm going to add 4 negative 1s to both sides and get rid of my zero pairs. I'm now left with 2x equals 2x, which means x equals x. So 2x plus 4 will always equal 2 times the quantity x plus 2. No matter what value I put in for x, they're always equal.